Artificial intelligence, AI, and automation are revolutionizing the space sector, radically transforming the way missions are planned, executed, and monitored. Thanks to technological advancements in recent years, it is now possible to employ autonomous systems and advanced algorithms to enhance the efficiency of space missions, reduce costs, and increase operational safety. The adoption of AI not only facilitates deep space exploration but also enables the analysis of vast amounts of data and rapid responses to unexpected events. One of the most crucial aspects of space missions is autonomous navigation. AI allows probes and rovers to determine their position in real time, avoid obstacles, and choose optimal routes without waiting for constant instructions from Earth. For example, Mars rovers like NASA's Perseverance and Curiosity use sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms to analyze terrain and autonomously plan their movements. Perseverance, in particular, employs a system called AutoNav, which allows it to cover greater distances in shorter times, optimizing exploration schedules and increasing the amount of scientific data collected. This type of autonomous navigation significantly reduces the need for human intervention and enables rovers to react more quickly to environmental changes. Recently, NASA and ESA have invested in AI-based navigation technologies to improve the positioning of satellites and space probes. For instance, the Artemis mission, which aims to return humans to the Moon and later to Mars, plans to employ AI for the autonomous management of spacecraft, increasing maneuvering precision and ensuring greater operational safety. AI is also essential for processing the vast amounts of data collected by space missions. Advanced telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, generate extremely complex images and information, which are analyzed by machine learning algorithms to identify new planets, galaxies, and cosmic phenomena. AI has already enabled the discovery of thousands of exoplanets by analyzing variations in the brightness of stars observed by the Kepler telescope. This process, which would have taken years of manual work by astronomers, has been enormously accelerated thanks to artificial intelligence, which can analyze large datasets in record time and detect patterns that might escape the human eye. Additionally, satellites use neural networks to detect anomalies such as solar storms or terrestrial climate variations. NASA is testing deep learning models to more accurately predict solar eruptions, which can damage satellites and electrical grids on Earth. AI is also being used to enhance the processing of images from interplanetary probes, allowing the discovery of hidden details about distant planets and moons. Autonomous AI-equipped robots are revolutionizing orbital device maintenance. NASA and ESA are developing technologies for the autonomous maintenance of satellites, which could extend their operational lifespan and reduce the costs associated with launching new devices. A recent example is the OSAM-1, on-orbit servicing, assembly, and manufacturing project, which aims to repair and refuel satellites directly in space without human intervention. SpaceX, through its Starship program, is also developing vehicles capable of assembling structures in orbit using advanced AI-guided robots. These technologies pave the way for the construction of modular space stations and permanent infrastructure in deep space. AI-equipped satellites can dynamically adapt to environmental conditions and optimize their operations. For example, Earth observation satellites employ AI to analyze climate changes and monitor natural disasters in real time, providing crucial data for emergency management. The company Planet Labs has developed satellites capable of autonomously updating their analysis algorithms, improving the accuracy of acquired images. ESA's Copernicus program leverages artificial intelligence to monitor atmospheric pollution levels and study the evolution of polar ice caps, contributing to the fight against climate change. Future missions to Mars and other moons, such as Europa and Titan, will make extensive use of AI to operate in extreme environments. Autonomous vehicles could explore the surface of these celestial bodies, collect samples, and transmit data without requiring constant human commands. The Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, is developing AI-based flying drones to explore the surfaces of icy moons and even the underground oceans of Europa and Enceladus. These drones could be crucial in the search for extraterrestrial life. Artificial intelligence will be vital in constructing and managing space bases on the Moon and Mars. Autonomous robots could be used to assemble habitat modules, manage resources, and ensure the safety of structures in hostile environments. NASA and SpaceX are developing advanced automation systems to manage space greenhouses, essential for ensuring astronaut self-sufficiency on long-duration missions. Despite the progress, the use of AI in space raises several ethical and technical issues. One of the main challenges concerns the transparency and reliability of algorithms. Fully autonomous systems must be tested with extreme care to prevent errors that could compromise billion-dollar missions. Moreover, the increasing autonomy of AI raises questions about responsibility in the event of failures or incorrect decisions. Artificial intelligence could also trigger a new space race among nations and private companies, leading to legal issues regarding the management of extraterrestrial resources and the control of advanced technologies. Artificial intelligence and automation are already transforming space exploration, making it more efficient and accessible. With the continuous development of new technologies, the future of space missions will increasingly rely on autonomous systems, paving the way for a new era of scientific discoveries and technological innovations that will also impact everyday life on Earth. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming videos.